Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Can you ever have too many chargers? I know in our family we cannot. They go missing all the time, and especially the one by my bed. I do not like when people take it, but they're all white, and so I never know if someone actually took it or not. But thanks to this amazing charger by IHAO, I no longer have that problem because it is a beautiful green color when it's charging. And when you get it, it looks blue. So don't freak out like I did that you got a blue one. It really is green, and it is stunning when it is charging. Another reason this is so cool is you know if your device is charging, because we've all had that where we plug our device in and we come back a couple hours later and it didn't charge because it got unplugged. It's a really nice, well-made rubbery material around the cord, so I don't worry about it fraying or breaking anytime soon. If you're looking for a charger that you know is definitely yours, so no one takes it, is beautiful, and very high quality, this one is for you. But that's just my point of view.